It's well documented by industry safety experts that many car crashes are the result of dim headlights. Low output from headlights makes it harder to see while driving at night and harder for other drivers to see you. Surprisingly, the cause is not your bulb, but the external UV coating on your headlight lens. Over time, these lenses become cloudy or yellow, reducing light output by 80%. By having your lenses reconditioned, you'll be restoring the clarity of your headlights, saving hundreds of dollars by not replacing the entire unit and helping to protect your family from serious accidents.